For these wing feathers, there's a couple of different sections of wing feather. This section that I'm working on here, it's more of a grayed area. It doesn't have as much of the dark blacks as it will down in the next section of the flight feathers. But you saw me go in and just lay in sort of a dark gray. Then I went in with the lighter. I know it looks white, but it's not pure white. It's kind of a gray, a grayed white. And so I just go back and forth between adding in the darks, adding in some of the lights, come back in with some strokes of the darker color again. Again, it's just a dark gray here, but just keep going back and forth between the values of lighter gray to the darker gray until you get a look that you're going for. And again, we have to remember that this is a tiny little piece. So the amount of detail that we can put in here is not as much as if it was a larger piece. We're limited by the size. So it is a little bit of almost kind of a wet on wet technique at this stage. I'm wanting, as I come in with this lighter gray, I want my brush to pick up a little bit of that wet paint that I just put in underneath of it. And I can continue to pull in some of that color by wiping off the brush as I did there, and then come back in and stroke between those colors again. And so you can see that very quickly you can get a nice little hint at different feathers on the wing there.